A car crash was caught on a doorbell camera. In the clip, a silver sedan comes into the frame going way too fast and at a bad angle. It seems like the driver tries to hit the brakes, but the car does not slow down. The sedan slides right into a parked SUV and the sound of the hit is loud. The SUV jumps forward from the force and the sedan crumples from the front. Neighbors rush out from their houses as alarms start to go off. The strange part is that the driver of the sedan stays inside for a moment before stepping out looking shocked. The crash could have been much worse if anyone had been walking nearby.